All right. So these are the twin legs for a cherry wood table, dining table, that a friend of mine gave me to refurbish. As you can see, there is quite a bit of damage. One of the legs actually fell completely off and came apart when I was moving it into the shop. I'm going to be working on this for the next few weeks. The top is actually still sitting in our storage area. And you can tell we're not in the new shop yet, so it's going to be a little cramped. But looking forward to this one.